How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to give a hand massage step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So I actually been getting a lot of comments from my subscribers asking me to make this video, so I thought I would make it. This I started doing hand massages because I do lots and lots of typing for my businesses, and my hands they get super sore. So I'm just going to show you how to do a simple hand massage, and not only are your hands going to feel better, it's going to relieve tension. So the very first thing that I like to do is when you're doing the hand massages, most of the technique is just using your thumb. What you want to do is you want to start in the middle here. And you either want to go clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter, but you want to rub circular motions on the hand like this. So typically I'll do about 30 circles, so just like this. And again, it's just in the middle of the palm. Make sure you get up top too, because that's kind of where the fingers, right here. It's just like this, moderate pressure. Don't press really hard, but don't press really light either. Just a moderate amount of pressure, so like this. Okay, once the palm's done, you guys, I like to work each individual finger. So just take the finger and just go like this. Just rub down on it like this. I like to do each finger 5 times, and then I'll move on to the next. So typically when I do this, I'll usually do this after 2 hours if I'm on the computer. So if I'm on the computer for 2 hours or longer, after 2 hours, I will start to do this at least once. And then in the morning, if my hands are sore from the previous day, then I will do this as well. So again, we're just rubbing each finger 5 times. Then what I like to do is I like to turn the hand over. So we kind of use the thumb and we went like this. I like to turn the hand over now and then get in here. And I'll do this. I'll do this 30 times too. I'll make a circular motion and just get the top of the palm. So the first exercise we did, we got the bottom of the palm. Now we're getting the top of the palm. And again, it doesn't matter if you go clockwise or counterclockwise, just make circular motion. Circular is good. Okay, the second exercise we did is we went like this. So the thumb was on the back side of the fingers. I like to do this, and I just like to do the front side of the fingers now. So again, it's a very simple massage, but I find that it really does help you guys. So again, I like to get about 5 repetitions for each finger. So that's it, you guys. Try it out. It does help me, so that's why I figured I'd make this video. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.